Hello, Horizon students, and welcome back to Magic Maths with me, Miss Heffernan. If you tuned in to Magic Maths in Term 1, you will know that this ECA is all about impressing your friends and families with your amazing mental math skills. Our magic tricks work quite similarly to card tricks, except your family and friends will be choosing a number without telling you, and then after asking them a series of questions, you should be able to guess the original number that they chose, quite like a magic card trick. In term 1, we covered trick 1 and 2, so today we are going to be moving on to trick 3 and 4. Okay, let's get started. Trick 3 has 6 steps. Step 1, you will have to ask your family or friend to think of a number. Step 2, they will multiply that number by 3. Step 3, they will add 45 to the result. Step 4, they will double the result. Step 5, they will divide the answer by 6. And step 6, they will subtract their original number that they chose in step 1. If your family member or friend does everything correctly, their answer will always be 15. I'm going to do an example for you to prove that this trick works. So the number I'm going to start with is 5, but remember you could choose any number or your family or friend could choose any number. Step 2, I'm going to multiply that number by 3. 5 multiplied by 3 equals 15. Step 3, add 45 to the result. So I now have 15 plus 45 equals 60. Step 4, double the result. Double 60 is 120. Step 5, divide the answer by 6. 120 divided by 6 equals 20. And step 6, subtract your original number from that answer. So my original number was 5. I'm going to do 20, take away 5, and my answer should be 15. Okay, no matter what number your family or friend chooses, their answer should always be 15 if they have done their calculations correctly. Now, this trick has 6 steps. So you may want to ask your family or friend to write down each step, maybe using a piece of paper or a mini whiteboard, so they don't get confused along the way. Moving on to trick 4. Although this trick only has 3 steps, it does use bigger numbers, so it is a little bit tricky. It also has long division, so you may want to use the help of a calculator if you're unsure of how to do long division. I will show you the 3 steps now before I do an example. So step 1, you have to think of a 3-digit number, but every digit should be the same. I'll explain this more in the example. Step 2, you will then add up the 3 digits. Step 3, you will divide the step 1 number by the step 2 number. This will all be a little more clear when I show you the example on the next slide. If you have done your division correctly, your answer should be 37. So let's see if that's right. Here's my example for trick 4. For step 1, it said to think of a 3-digit number, but every digit should be the same. I've chosen the number 888, but there are many options for this. You could choose 222, 777, 999. It's completely up to you or your family or friend. Step 2, we are now going to add up those 3 digits. So I'm going to do 8 plus 8 plus 8, and that will give me the number 24. Step 3 is the step now that includes long division. So if you're uncertain about long division, you may want to use a calculator for this step. We're going to take the number from step 1, 888, and we're going to divide it by the number from step 2, which was 24. And when you do your long division, or type it into a calculator, your answer is 37. Okay, now whichever number your family or friend chose, whether it was 222, 777, when they complete these 3 steps, their answer should always be 37. And that is the magic of our magic maths. Thank you for tuning in to my ECA video on magic maths. I hope you enjoyed it and that it got your brain ticking. And I'd love to hear about how these magic tricks went with your family and friends. See you soon. Bye.